Police are investigating a major security breach that rocked the just ended ZANU-PF annual National People's Conference in Mutare after a Central Intelligence Organization CIO operative and personal assistant to Industry Minister Mangaliso Ndlovu, Brighton Ndebele, was caught smuggling a firearm into the high security event. Sarabina mashoko kudanyo kwa pango na chenzi Ganske, depends mnangagwa Chiwenga Rift. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimaya wanadambira chiti Ndebele, who also serves as ZANU-PF's information secretary for Matabeleland South, has been denied bail and he remains in custody as investigators try to establish whether the gun was brought by him in by mistake or as part of a more sinister plot. Police have since questioned his wives in Bulawayo as part of the widening probe. The incident has sent shockwaves through the ruling party and the security establishment, already gripped by mounting tensions between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga. Sources say the discovery of the weapon at such a sensitive gathering, attended by the country's top political and military figures, has reignited fears of internal sabotage and deepened mistrust within ZANU-PF's top hierarchy. The Mutare Conference, which emphatically endorsed the ED 2030 agenda to extend Mnangagwa's rule, effectively supplied Chiwenga's long Abad presidential ambitions. The vice president, once regarded as the architect of Mnangagwa's rise to power after the 2017 military coup, is now seen by many within the party as being systematically isolated and politically weakened. Party insiders say the security scale has further fueled speculation of rival intelligence factions aligned to the two leaders, a power struggle that has defined ZANU-PF's internal politics since the coup. While Mnangagwa's loyalists use the conference to consolidate control, Chiwenga's allies are said to have been quietly pushed out of key security and provincial positions in recent months. The firearm scandal involving a CIO operative linked to a sitting minister now threatens to expose the fractures in Zimbabwe's ruling elite, while political paranoia, mistrust, and succession battles continue to overshadow national government. Lomwe zvikanobuda panguva ino zvichishamisa vanhu kuti aiwa futi iyi yanga yamboya kuzomboitei, was it a mistake kana kuti pane maplans anga aripo aidhipena the rift between the two rivals. Penda comment section medu mbodzana mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.